Hi guys. I had a very interesting thought today morning about tarot readings, which I like to do, connected with my normal talk, what I do here. So I actually want to give it a try, and I've prepared here three decks, which I will be taking cards from, and it will lead us to an interesting topic about life, about something. So if you want, if you're on it, let's go. Okay, so we have here the first Prism Oracle deck. Then we will take cards from, or cards, maybe yeah, Cozy Witch Tarot deck. And we also have here Dixit number 3. So I guess that's the third expansion. Really cool. I love that edition. Okay, so let's see. Let's take a card from the Prism Oracle, because that will just set us on a course. I think I see the card here. This is the one. So our topic is cleanse. Cleanse. Very interesting. It seems like how to clean ourselves inside. And actually, this card, it reminds me of glacier, or the no, not a glacier, iceberg. Like, you know, you see the tip of the iceberg, and then there is this area which is below the surface, below the water, you cannot normally see, and that is actually polluted. You see the dots over there. So that tells me that the cleanse is not just what's visible above, but also what's inside our bodies, inside our emotions, our beliefs also. Cleanse. Okay. So let's take another card, this time from the Cozy Witch deck. And let's see what comes up here. Oh, this one. This one wants to come up. And this is the Chariot. You'll never get anywhere if you keep standing still. Number 7, Chariot. Okay, can you see that? Is it like, if I do this, like before, now you can see it. Does it turn back? Oh yes, the focus turns back. That's a wonderful news, because last time there was a problem with that. Okay, so we have the Chariot. You'll never get anywhere if you keep standing still. And then we have Cleanse. And you see how there are flowers on the wheel? On the wheels of the bike, there are flowers. And it actually, it's a wheel. And here in the Cleanse card, we see there is this circle, right? It actually looks like a wheel. That tells me that there is a lot of beautiful flowers in us, in our being. And actually what it tells me is that we should aim for that, if you understand me. Look inside of us, what's really nice. Actually, that is the cleanse. The cleaning process. A cleaner. The cleaning process is not because the cleaning process is not by sweeping the old corners It is partially, but now in these days, in this era, in the new, it's more about focusing on the new. Actually, I was talking about that today in the morning video. Right, it's like we can look at abundance or we can look at the lack. We know how to look at the lack. We are experts in it. But look at abundance. That's something totally new for us. Really, like embodying abundance, embodying what we want in life. Muddy waters is the best cleaned left alone, or something like that. That said Alan Watts. And it reminds me of this. You'll never get anywhere if you keep standing still. Yes. If we keep standing still with the old and we try to dig in it, it will actually not clean. We have to keep moving. We have to keep moving into the new. How? By our focus, by attention, the right type of attention. Let's take a look at Dixit cards now. What comes up in the Dixit deck? What card will contribute to this message or expand on it? I actually, yes, this, oh, okay, we have two. We have two cards. Okay, so the first card, okay, wow. And the second card, okay, these cards don't have words, obviously, it's Dixit. So I will show you the both cards at one moment. Can you see them? Yeah. So there is this lady being rescued from the burning house, from the burning castle. It actually looks like wasteland. And then there is the book flying up into the light. Actually, I already see what's going on here. This card came first. And what this tells me is here we see the old world, and we are being rescued to the new. Here, actually rescued, but might be rescued like by our guides, by divine, by our grand plan for our life, by our soul, higher self. But we actually have to do the steps. You know, there is the ladder. We just have to walk by it. No, it's not the right expression. How do you say that? Just, you know what I mean, like use the ladder to the other side, to the new. And then there is this book which is flying. Like, to me, this is saying like we are going to fly into the light with the right knowledge, with the right wisdom. So let's go. Let's go. So the cleanse, which is the I don't know if you heard it, but my stomach just how to say it, like really strange and loud noises. So I was just like authentically, what's going on? Sorry, is it hurt? So I think it was. So the message is clear here. We are cleaning ourselves by going like all the cards. Like we are cleaning ourselves by moving from the old to the new by right knowledge. And that would be focus. That would be focusing on what works. Does the old work? The past? Does it work? I don't think so. The new, our bright future, that works. There is what we need to focus on, and it is bright. Yeah, it is bright. There is this light. We're going up in vibration. We're flying away. Okay, I think that would be it. And I believe and dare to say that it went quite well. I like this setup. So tell me please in the comments if you liked the video and your thoughts about this all. And if you'd like to see more of those videos, I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. So take care and see you next time. Bye.